Ahoy there! Welcome aboard the Carnival cruise ship. Whether it's your first or your 10th time sailing, we want to ensure you have the best experience possible. One thing that can make or break your trip is how you pack your luggage. That's why we've put together these 9 Carnival Cruise Luggage Guidelines to help you pack smart and stress-free. Choose a sturdy suitcase that is easy to identify among other luggage. Opt for one that is durable and can withstand the rigors of travel. Additionally, choose a suitcase that is easy to identify among other luggage, such as one with a unique color or pattern. Pack a carry-on bag with essential items, such as medications, important documents, and a change of clothes in case your luggage gets delayed. Pack a small carry-on bag with items you will need right away, such as medications, important documents, and a change of clothes in case your checked luggage is delayed. And whether you're lounging on the beach, exploring a new port, or simply relaxing on the ship, the SHYLERO beach bag has got you covered. With its spacious main compartment and multiple pockets, you'll be able to easily store all your essentials in one place, including your beach towels, sunscreen, and other personal items. Check the size and weight restrictions for your luggage. Each guest is allowed up to 2 suitcases with a maximum weight of 50 pounds each. Make sure to check the size and weight restrictions for your luggage. Use packing cubes or compression bags to organize and maximize space in your luggage. To make the most out of the space in your suitcase, consider using packing cubes or compression bags to organize and compact your items. Do not pack prohibited items such as weapons, illegal drugs, or alcohol. Carnival Cruise has a list of prohibited items that guests are not allowed to bring on board, such as weapons, illegal drugs, or alcohol. Make sure to check this list before you pack. Label your luggage with your name, address, and phone number in case it gets lost or misplaced. Put a luggage tag on each of your suitcases with your name, address, and phone number so it can be easily identified if it gets lost or misplaced. Do not pack valuables or fragile items in your checked luggage. Carry them with you in your carry-on bag. To prevent loss or damage to valuables or fragile items, it's best to carry them with you in your carry-on bag rather than packing them in your checked luggage. The thing that can make your cruise vacation even more enjoyable is the SHYLERO beach bag, which is more than just a bag, it's an essential accessory. This high-quality beach bag is the perfect combination of style, durability, and functionality, making it the ideal companion for any cruising adventure. SHYLERO beach bag is more than just a practical accessory, it's also a source of inspiration. It's a reminder to make the most of every moment on your cruise, to embrace new experiences, and create unforgettable memories. So whether you're traveling solo or with friends and family, the SHYLERO beach bag will be your constant companion, inspiring you to explore, relax, and enjoy the journey. Pack appropriate clothing for the weather and activities on board. Check the dress code for formal nights or specialty restaurants. Consider the weather and planned activities when packing your clothing. Additionally, make sure to check the dress code for formal nights or specialty restaurants. Leave some extra space in your suitcase for souvenirs and gifts you may want to take back home with you. Embarking on a Carnival cruise is an exciting adventure, and it's important to approach it with a positive and adventurous mindset. Remember, each voyage is an opportunity to explore new destinations, connect with new people, and make unforgettable memories. So as you pack your bags and prepare to set sail, embrace the spirit of adventure and approach your cruise with an open mind and a willingness to try new things. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so make the most of every moment and enjoy the ride.